Holi, also known as Pagwa in Suriname, is a vibrant Hindu festival that celebrates the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. It's one of the most colorful and joyful festivals, marked by singing, dancing, and throwing of colored powders, gulal. In Suriname, where there's a significant Hindi Surinamese community, Pagwa is celebrated with great enthusiasm. The festivities often bring with the Holika Dahan, the night before, where people gather around the bonfire, symbolizing the burning of evil based on the legend of Prahlad and Holika. The story goes, Prahlad was a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu, but his father, King Hiranyakashipu, was a powerful demon king who wanted everyone to worship him instead. Angered by Prahlad's devotion, the king tried to kill his son on multiple times, but Vishnu always protected Prahlad. Finally, Hiranyakashipu asked his sister, Holika, who had a magical cloak that made her immune to fire, to sit in a blazing fire with Prahlad on her lap. Holika's plan was to burn Prahlad alive, but because her intentions were evil, the cloak flew off her and covered Prahlad instead. Holika was burned to ashes, but Prahlad emerged unharmed. This story symbolizes the victory of good over evil, which is why people light the Holika Dahan bonfire the night before Holi.
Spesialnya you're so saying. Ego, pengen ko ma-vlog. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. What does Holika means to you? Mag je het Engels, mag je het Nederlands? Hoe je het wilt, maar vraag het om.
I'm an Indian en dat is mijn cultuur. Dus voor mij is het nou gewoon een leuke sfeer, een leuke ervaring.
Alright, I'll see you around man.
Yes.
So that's how the Holika Dahan was celebrated. The festival that symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. Tomorrow it is going to be the traditional Pagwa play that's going to be held all over the country. I think Palmentarian is going to be where the majority of the people will be active tomorrow. Over the years, Pagwa has evolved into a vibrant national festival in Suriname, welcoming people from all ethnicities and backgrounds to join in the celebration. Met Brad Mansa,
Mijn naam is Ellen.
top tour guide of Suriname. It's a powerful symbol of unity, joy, and cultural harmony. Two of the most popular hotspots for the festivities are Palmentarian and Onafhankelijkheidsplein. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're here in the center of Suriname, Paramaribo, here in Palmentarian, where Pagwa is being celebrated by all the people nationwide, especially the tourists are going crazy, as you can see for yourself. Thank you. It was crazy at Palmentarian, but that's just a fraction of what it's like. I think the people are still sleeping because I'm expecting it to be more crowded because it's still too early. I'm at Onafhankelijkheidsplein at the moment, Onafhankelijkheidsplein at the moment, where there's another festival being organized. The festival kicks off at noon and continues well into the early hours of the morning. The atmosphere is alive with vibrant colors, music, and dancing. A key highlight of the celebration is the DJ performances, which take center stage. Suriname's traditional drink, schaap ijs, tamarind and margusa. You can't go wrong with that combination. Pagwa here is more than just a festival. It's an experience for togetherness, joy, and cultural pride that leaves unforgettable memories. This was the Pagwa Festival, which is held every year here in Suriname. But as you can see, it has started raining. So that's a bit of a disappointment because the weather was pretty clear this morning. But yeah, the rain has given us a disappointing evening. But that should not ruin today's festival. If you've enjoyed today's video, please